ABC 9 News forecast first.
Hope you're having a great Halloween, everybody, and I hope that all the trick-or-treaters were able to get all the Milky Ways and Three Musketeers that they were hoping for here tonight. The temperatures are dropping like a rock out there. Expect to see some frost on the jack-o'-lanterns tomorrow morning. 30 degrees in Wayne and Sioux City, 32 in Tekamah, and 34 in Yankton. It's going to be chilly at midnight, down to 26, 20 degrees at 7 a.m. A cold morning, but it does get better through the afternoon tomorrow as our temperatures start to look a little more seasonal. We'll have more details coming up. Your news starts now. 44 degrees for the high temperature today. How about that? Pretty chilly. 23 was the low temperature here this morning. The record, you can see 81 degrees back in 1944, 12 degrees, the record low. That was set back in 1993. Now let's have a look outside on the Sioux City Skycam HD, and we can see that we have mostly clear skies at this time right now as we look across the river into Nebraska. And let's move on to the east to the Fitzpatrick Auto Skycam HD. A lovely night out there as well for some ghouls and ghosts to grab that candy. Here are the high temperatures that we saw across the region today, and much of the upper Midwest was on the cooler side of things. 47 in Valentine, 48 in North Platte, kind of on the periphery of that dome of cooler air. 40 degrees for the high in Mason City and just 40 in Minneapolis, 32 the freezing mark in Rhinelander, Wisconsin. Zooming things in a little bit closer to home here, 39 in Yankton, 41 degrees in Sioux Falls, 45 in Tekamah, and 45 also in Omaha. Remember, the average high temperature for today, 56. 27 is the current temperature in Sioux City. With clear skies, 19 degrees for our dew point. We have a southeast wind of 3 miles per hour, and here are the temperatures where you are. And it's chilly throughout the map. 27 right now in Sioux City, 32 in Wayne, 29 in Norfolk, 26 for the current temperature in Tekamah, and 25 in Cherokee, 24 in Spencer. So very cold temperatures. Those dew points are down in the teens. I expect that we are going to fall into the teens in a few locations and probably about 20 degrees here in Sioux City. Here are your winds, which are based out of the south and the east at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those will be increasing in strength here through the rest of the night, and we do expect to see those winds rather breezy here through the day tomorrow. Here's the satellite and radar now. A couple of clouds are nosing into the region, but otherwise clear skies at this time. Further off to the east, we have an area of low pressure, which has really been causing some chaos further to the east with a lot of rain, some snow, some hail, and also some very strong wind gusts, too, reported in the Chicagoland area, too. But here around Siouxland, we do have high pressure in place just to the north and the east. That's going to continue to keep us calm here through the remainder of the night. Building in that more south and southeasterly wind here through the day on Saturday. It's going to start to warm us up with temperatures back in seasonal conditions here for Saturday. Even warmer on Sunday with a more southerly direction to the wind. We can expect to see our highs back into the 60s, and it should be quite nice actually on Sunday. However, Sunday night into Monday, we will have increasing clouds, and there is a chance of a few showers as we go through the day on Monday, a 30% chance of seeing some measurable rain. 20 degrees for the low temperature here tonight. A few clouds, bone chilling, so it's a good idea to stay inside at this point and probably watch a horror movie. 54 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow, mostly sunny and more seasonal, but it will be breezy. Here's the 7-day forecast, up to 62 on Sunday, 55 degrees on Monday, a 30% chance of rain there, 54 degrees on Tuesday, and you can see as we get toward the end of next week, we will start to have some cooler temperatures under the forecast again on Thursday and Friday, but we keep sunshine all the way through. And also, guys, it's nice that we're going to have a good election day.
To say, maybe we can get ourselves up close to a record day as far as the number of folks going to the polls.
Yeah,
Exactly.
the weather will sure help.
Yeah, the weather will be beautiful.
Sounds good. Thanks, Scott.